Have you looked in the mirror recently and thought, why does my skin feel thinner, looser, even fragile? For many seniors, this is more than just about wrinkles. It's about a deep, subtle loss of structure beneath the skin, what doctors call the degradation of collagen. Collagen is the invisible framework that keeps our skin firm, plump, and youthful. But after 60, your body produces less collagen every year. In fact, by the time you hit your 70s, you may have lost up to 75% of your natural collagen reserves. And it doesn't stop at your face. Loss of collagen weakens connective tissue throughout the body, affecting your joints, tendons, ligaments, even your gums and blood vessels. That's why your skin becomes delicate, your knees feel unstable, and your posture shifts with age. Most people blame getting old. But here's the real shocker. It's not just age, it's nutrition. A lack of the right nutrients, especially from natural fruits rich in collagen-boosting compounds, can speed up the loss of structural support in your skin and tissues. The good news? Nature gives us hidden allies. Fruits so powerful, they don't just slow down collagen loss, they may help rebuild it. These aren't exotic powders or overpriced supplements. They're everyday fruits you can eat for breakfast. In this video, we'll reveal 3 of the most powerful collagen-friendly fruits for seniors. 1 creamy fruit that feeds your skin from the inside. 1 red berry that works like a gentle skin vitamin. And 1 citrus powerhouse that boosts firmness like nature's own retinol. If you're over 60 and want to nourish your skin from the inside out, support your connective tissues, and bring back that healthy firmness, then keep watching. You're about to discover how small daily changes can lead to firmer skin, stronger joints, and a brighter, more vibrant you. Let's begin with the first fruit, one that feels as indulgent as it is healing: avocado. Let's start with a fruit that's smooth, satisfying, and surprisingly powerful for aging skin: avocado. Yes, that humble green fruit isn't just good on toast. It's one of the top natural foods for rebuilding collagen from the inside out. Here's why. Avocados are loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats, which help nourish the skin's lipid barrier. That outer layer of your skin acts like a wall, holding in moisture and defending against damage. When that wall is strong, skin stays plump. When it's weak, you get sagging, dryness, and accelerated aging. But there's more. Avocados are rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects existing collagen from breaking down under the stress of free radicals. That means less damage from sun, pollution, and even internal inflammation. Even more exciting, avocados contain vitamin C and copper, 2 nutrients your body must have to activate procollagen enzymes, which are essential for making new collagen fibers. So while creams work on the surface, avocado works at the root, where collagen is actually formed, deep in the dermis. Think of it like giving your skin building materials and workers at the same time. And it doesn't stop there. Avocados are also rich in glutathione, a detoxifying compound that helps cleanse the liver, which plays a quiet but crucial role in overall skin health and connective tissue repair. If your liver is sluggish, your skin often shows it first. For seniors especially, this matters. As collagen naturally declines, we need to support every stage of production, from nutrient intake to enzyme activation to cellular protection. Avocado does it all. So what's the best way to enjoy this creamy powerhouse? Simple. Half an avocado in the morning with a squeeze of lemon and a pinch of sea salt. Add slices to a spinach and egg breakfast. Blend into a smoothie with banana and unsweetened almond milk. The key is consistency. 1 small portion daily can begin to shift the way your skin feels and looks over time. Thousands of seniors are rediscovering their glow and firmness, not with fancy creams, but with nature's most complete skin food. And now, let's move to the next fruit. Tiny, red, and bursting with anti-aging power. Strawberries. Let's talk about a fruit that feels like summer and works like skincare from within. Strawberries. Sweet, juicy, and often overlooked. But for seniors, They're one of the most effective collagen-supporting fruits available. Here's the secret. Strawberries are packed with vitamin C, far more than you might expect. In fact, just 5 to 6 medium strawberries give you over 100% of your daily vitamin C needs. And why is that so important? Because your body can't make collagen without vitamin C. Vitamin C is like the switch that turns on collagen production. It's a cofactor in the enzymatic process that links amino acids together to form strong, elastic collagen fibers. Without enough of it, your skin becomes dull, your joints feel stiff, and healing slows down. But there's more. Strawberries contain ellagic acid, a natural antioxidant that helps protect existing collagen by preventing the breakdown caused by sun exposure and pollution. This is especially critical for seniors, as your skin becomes thinner and more vulnerable to damage with age. And guess what? They also have quercetin and anthocyanins, compounds that calm inflammation and enhance circulation, which helps nutrients get to your skin and tissues faster. If you've ever noticed how some people in their 70s still have that youthful glow, chances are they're feeding their skin from the inside with fruits like strawberries. Even better? Strawberries are low in sugar and high in fiber, so they won't spike your blood sugar, making them perfect for seniors managing diabetes or insulin sensitivity. Here's how to make strawberries part of your daily skin ritual. Add a handful to your morning oatmeal or yogurt. Blend with unsweetened almond milk and a scoop of collagen powder for a powerful smoothie, or just eat them fresh as a mid-morning snack. It's that simple. Small fruit, big impact. And most importantly, they offer hope. Hope that no matter your age, your skin still responds, your tissues still heal, and your body still knows how to build itself if you give it the right tools. Strawberries do just that. They're not just a treat, they're a treatment. And now let's move to the final fruit. A zesty, slightly bitter beauty that does more than refresh. Grapefruit. Our final fruit may surprise you. It's not sweet like strawberries or creamy like avocado. In fact, it has a bit of bite. But that's exactly why it works. Grapefruit. Often considered a breakfast sidekick, this citrus gem is actually a collagen rebuilding powerhouse, especially for those over 60. Let's break it down. Grapefruit is rich in vitamin C, just like strawberries, but it also contains a rare compound called naringenin, which is what gives it that slightly bitter edge. This compound helps reduce chronic inflammation, one of the main drivers of collagen breakdown in aging skin and tissues. Less inflammation equals more collagen preserved. More collagen preserved equals firmer, more resilient skin. But grapefruit doesn't stop there. It contains bioflavonoids that strengthen capillaries and improve circulation, meaning more oxygen and nutrients get delivered to your skin, joints, and connective tissues. This is key because as we age, blood flow naturally declines, and with it, our skin loses its rosy glow and firmness. What makes grapefruit truly special, though, is its effect on skin elasticity. Thanks to a unique synergy of vitamin A, potassium, and antioxidants, it supports elastin fibers, which work alongside collagen to give your skin bounce and structure. And if you've ever struggled with puffiness, slow healing, or sagging, grapefruit may help your lymphatic system flush out toxins more efficiently, which can have a big effect on the overall tone and clarity of your skin. But, a quick note, if you're taking medications like statins or blood pressure pills, check with your doctor before adding grapefruit daily. It can interact with some drugs. That said, if grapefruit is right for you, here are easy ways to enjoy it. Eat half a grapefruit with a sprinkle of cinnamon in the morning. Add grapefruit slices to a spinach and avocado salad, or juice it fresh and mix with water and a squeeze of lemon for a collagen-boosting morning tonic. Thousands of older adults are now turning to grapefruit not for weight loss, but for skin and tissue strength. They're seeing firmer necklines, better posture, and even fewer fine lines around the mouth and eyes. This is why we trust in the natural power of food. Because when nature provides the right compounds in the right ratios, The body knows exactly what to do. And now that you've discovered these 3 collagen-supporting fruits, let's move to the most important part of all. How to bring them together into a simple morning habit that can transform your skin and tissues in just 30 days. Now that you've met the 3 collagen-supporting fruits, avocado for deep nourishment, strawberries for skin repair, grapefruit for firming and circulation, you might be wondering, how do I actually use them in my day-to-day life to get real, visible results? Here's the good news. You don't need a fancy plan, a supplement stack, or an expensive detox. You just need consistency and a smart, senior-friendly routine. Let's build your 30-day collagen fruit plan, starting tomorrow morning. Step 1. Morning collagen plate. Before 9 a.m., have a simple breakfast that includes 1/2 an avocado, sliced with lemon or mashed on whole grain toast, 5 to 6 fresh strawberries, on oatmeal with yogurt or just by themselves, 1/2 a grapefruit. Eat fresh or juice it and mix with warm water. This combo delivers healthy fats, antioxidants and vitamin C, anti-inflammatory phytonutrients. Together, they kickstart collagen production and protect your skin all day long. Step 2. Repeat 5 days a week. You don't have to be perfect. Aim for at least 5 days a week. Your skin cells renew every 28 to 30 days. So by the end of the month, you're likely to feel and see firmer cheeks and jawline, more hydration and glow, less crepey skin on your neck and hands, better joint comfort and flexibility. Step 3. Stay hydrated. Collagen fibers are like sponges. They need hydration to stay full and bouncy. Drink a glass of water before and after your morning fruit ritual. Add lemon or cucumber slices if you like. They enhance the skin-loving effect. Step 4. Track your progress. Take a photo of your face, hands, or knees on day 1. Compare again on day 30. You'll be surprised, not just by how you look, but by how you feel. More vitality, better skin tone, even improved posture, because your connective tissues feel stronger. This isn't a gimmick, it's food. Targeted, smart, and grounded in real nutritional science. And the best part? It's safe, delicious, and completely natural. You're not just feeding your hunger, you're feeding your foundation. Because after 60, collagen is no longer just a beauty nutrient. It's a lifeline for aging skin, joints, and tissues. And these 3 fruits, avocado, strawberry, and grapefruit, are your daily allies in keeping that lifeline strong. If there's one thing I want you to take away from this video, it's this. You are not too old to rebuild. Your skin still listens. Your joints still respond. Your body, even in your 60s, 70s, or beyond, still knows how to heal and restore itself, if you give it the right tools. Avocados, strawberries, grapefruit. They may look like ordinary fruits, but inside they hold something extraordinary. The very nutrients your cells have been quietly craving. We've been told that aging is a one-way street, that thinning skin, loose muscles, and fragile joints are inevitable. But science, and real stories from seniors just like you, are proving otherwise. Each bite of avocado delivers the fats your skin needs to stay supple. Each strawberry floods your body with the vitamin C needed to stitch collagen back together. Each grapefruit slice powers your circulation, firming your skin from the inside. And together, they form a simple, natural, and joyful way to take back control. You don't need injections. You don't need expensive creams. You don't need to fight aging. What you need is to nourish your foundation. Because the moment you start feeding your skin and tissues with purpose, you unlock something powerful. A stronger, more lifted posture, a glow that returns to your cheeks, joints that move with more ease, and a quiet confidence that says, I feel like myself again. This is your time. Time to stop fearing the mirror and start loving what you see. Time to stop feeling invisible and start rebuilding from within. You deserve to feel firm, steady, and radiant, not for vanity, but for vitality. Because when your skin is strong, your whole body feels strong. So here's your invitation. Start tomorrow. Slice the avocado, wash the strawberries, peel the grapefruit. And with every bite, remember, you're feeding your power. Nature already gave you the tools. Now, give yourself permission to use them. Because collagen may decline with age, but your strength doesn't have to.